Hello and welcome everyone. So today we are at Mikro Innotech Private Limited and I am in conversation with Mr. Rajesh Pawar since they have today acquired a new land for the expansion and today is the occasion of Bhoomi Pujan. Just to know about the Micron's journey, I will ask Mr. Rajesh sir, when did this journey of Micron start?
Actually, Micro started in 2006, that is in Delhi. The reason behind starting this Micro is basically to have an agency house. That is a prime motive in that we can have buying a controller. It's like a import substitute what we have planned earlier. In import substitute, what is that? We choose the products like leak testing machines and AD testing machines, some testing applications like MAPOS and all. So in that case, what happened? Found that if you buy the complete product from Europe or US for the similar product, so it's paying very, very much high. So in that case, it's always better to have a control the heart out of it from the portfolio, and the other things we can make it in India. So we tried that, and honestly speaking, we are about successful, we can say now today, because today we are 85 people company. We have one more factory in Bangalore. We also got one office in Thailand. We also got one office in Chicago, US. So we are expanding, obviously, and there's a lot of opportunity coming up. So in that case, the new sectors coming up very well. Energy sector, that is a promising sector, what I feel. So definitely battery and motor EV technology, that is also coming up. We feel that in future 4 or 5 years, the way the India is growing and what the economy is being shown today, and government's motive behind that entrepreneurs should grow. And we see now with the implementation out of it, it's the right time to invest. One thing. Second thing, you should be offering to the world now, because if the world market opening up for India, we thought that we will expand now. Micro started with 1500 square feet of rental space in Pune, and then we shifted to Nare, the 5000 square feet area. After that, now we have around 3 acres of land, and we are expanding now in Pune zone itself.
With the vision of Make in India and supporting Indian manufacturing industry, you have been in business with a lot of well-known OEMs, we would say, providing them assembly lines or the special purpose machines. And in order to expand that, the acquisition has been happened for the
Yes.
land. So what are your futuristic plans
The
for
future
Micro?
plan basically we add another facility. The reason behind that is basically we are getting some good opportunities and a commitment also from the industry that if you really put some great what we need now, so in that case definitely we will not go outside and we can have in India itself. So that is what we saw, and we thought that it's a good opportunity and we should encourage this opportunity. So we did that. Commission and assembly lines, basically, if you see the market, it's a big market.
And also acknowledging a current market need, entered into the laser market. So
Yes.
what more we could expect from Micro?
Just added the laser market about 3 years back. Now we are doing around 200 liters. We are doing around 20 crores for the laser applications. That is a big opportunity what we have. We have already grown this year 250%. We did that. So that is again a good opportunity. And what we see the future basically for next 3 years is that we are getting good response from the customer side, and that is very advantageous. And the new facility what we develop now to give the customers the feel that yes, we want to work along with you, we want to support you for long, and we are there to support you for all these years.
Definitely. Thank you so much for extending this support to the Indian market, and also again very much congratulations to you on
Thank
your
you.
expansion and growth.
Yes.
Thank you so much.